Welcome. In front of me is a Blaupunkt SM01, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So to get started, we'll need to put off the back cover. So just gonna lock the device and flip it over and pull the cover off. I already pried it all around primarily, so it came off fairly easy. And then what you want to do is just take out the battery, so push it down and out. From here I have the SIM card. Now it's basically the biggest one that goes in here, and you want to put it like this with the cutout on the bottom left side. Just slide it all the way in, and then the SD card goes on the right side like so, with the little notch on the right side. Just also pop it in there, and then you can put the battery back in and turn the phone back on. As you can see, it's asking me for the pin for the SIM, so the SIM is working. For some reason it's giving me an incorrect pin, but yeah, as you can see, it's working, and the SIM card should be working as well. If I can actually show it if I unlock it. No, but yeah, both of them are working, and that's how you would insert. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.